A very good morning to dear parents and my dear children. Today is a very nice day, and I hope so. I wish everyone to have a very wonderful day ahead. Okay. Today's subject is numbers, and we will talk the first topic. The first topic on numbers is big and small. The first topic on numbers is big and small. Okay, big means what? Big means bada sa, and small means choto. Big and small. Big and small. Big and small. Okay, so first of all, I would like to show you some concrete objects of big and small. So here I am having two similar colors of tiffin. One is of big size and one is of small size. Big and small. Big and small. Big tiffin, small tiffin. Big tiffin, small tiffin. Okay. Another example is of a potato. Big potato, small potato. Big and small. Big potato, small potato. Okay. So like this way you can also find some objects at home. Yes, of big and small. Another example I will show you of a big book and a small book. A big book, this is a small book, and this is a big book. So in the same way you also will find some objects at home, concrete objects. I would like the parents to show them some objects, similar objects which is of similar color, and the size should vary. That's it, so that the concept of big and small becomes very clear to them. Okay. Okay children, did you understand what is big? Big money बहुत बड़ा, बड़ा सा, and small money छोटो. Big money बड़ा, small money छोटा. ठीक है. अभी हम जाएंगे. Next topic is long and short. Next topic is long and short. Okay. So I will show you two objects of different sizes of long and short. Here I am having two pencils. Here I am having two pencils. One is long in size. One is long in size, and another is short in size. See the size of the pencil. This pencil is long and this pencil is short. Long and short. Long and short. Long pencil, short pencil. Long money, lamba. ऐसा. The length will vary this way. Okay, long pencil, short pencil. Okay, another example I will show you of spoon. Of a spoon. This is a spoon. This is a long spoon, and this is a short spoon. Long spoon and a short spoon. See this length is long here, and this is a short of this spoon is of short length. So these are the these examples. You can also show them in your house. I request all the parents especially to show like this kind of examples at home, so that the concept of long and short becomes very clear to them. Okay children, am I clear? Long money लंबा, ऐसा लंबाई ऐसा जाएगा. ठीक है ना. long and short. long लंबा and short money छोटा. Okay. Is the concept of long and short clear now? Okay. Next we have the topic of tall and short. So we will see some pictures of tall and short to make the concept very clear. अच्छा पहले उसके पहले what is the meaning of tall? What is the meaning of tall? Tall माने बहुत लंबा. With your hand you have to show me. Tall and short. Tall and short. Tall माने खूब लंबा, tall. Short माने खूब छोटो, short. Tall and short. Tall and short. So here we will see some pictures of tall and short. Let me show you some pictures of tall and short. Okay. See. Yes. I have two pictures here. Tall and short. Few pictures of tall and short. I request the parents also can show like this of tall and short. Okay. So now we will see the see there are two pictures. One is of a one is showing the short ladder, and one is a tall ladder. Short ladder, tall ladder. Tall tree, short tree. Tall tree, short tree. Tall and short. Tall and short. Tall and short. This is short. Short and tall. Short ladder, tall ladder. Tall tree, short tree. Okay. The next picture we are having. See, you can see the picture here. Yes. One is showing the building, a tall building, and one is of short building. Tall and short. Tall building, short building. Tall tree, sorry, short tree, tall tree. Short tree, tall tree. Here is a mountain here, a tall mountain and a short mountain. Tall mountain, short mountain. Okay. Two types of grasses are there. Tall grass, short grass. Tall grass, short grass. Tall tool, short tool. Tall tool, short tool. Tall tag, name tag is there. Tall tag and a short tag. Tall and short. Tall and short. Tall and short. So in this way I request the parents also can show some objects like this. Okay. Now some pictures like this of tall and short, by which the concept of tall and short becomes very clear to your children. Okay. Now next topic is more and less. More and less. So here you can see a picture of more and less. Okay. There are two jokers here, one and two joker here, and one joker is holding more of balloons and one is holding very less balloons. So this more money kya? More means more money, zyada. Less means kam. More money, zyada. Less means kam. More and less. More and less. More money, खूब बेशी. Less means खूब कम. Okay. So I will show you another picture. Here you can see two vases. One vase is filled with more flowers, and one vase is filled with less flowers. More flowers, less flowers. More and less. Okay. Next we have two bowls. One bowl is full of one bowl is full of fruits, and one bowl is with less fruits. One bowl is more with more fruits, one bowl is with less fruits. Okay. So this is the meaning of more. More money बहुत ज़्यादा, and less means very बहुत कम. अब हम देखेंगे live examples. The concrete objects. See, this plate I am having with more chocolates. As you can see, this plate is having more number of chocolates. Another plate also I'll show you, which is having less chocolates. Okay, more chocolates. This plate, the right side plate is showing more chocolates, and this is showing less chocolates. In this way, parents, you can also show them examples of more and less. I have taken a plate. You can chocolates. You can take a bowl with rice, a bowl with sugar, the things which attract the children. Okay, like sugar will do comes concrete objects. You can take some pebbles. One box with more pebbles, one with less pebbles. In this way you can clear the concept of more and less to your children at home. So am I clear, everyone? I suppose I am clear with all the topics. Please do practice at home whatever I told you, and show them the pictures, the objects at home, whatever you have at home. Please show them and make the concept very clear to them. Thank you and have a nice day.